Welcome back to the morning news. Leanne Ellington is here to get us all worked out. What have you got for us?
Well, these are actually furniture movers, but you know, I know a lot of our people that are watching at home don't necessarily have access to the gym or might not have time to go to the gym. So this is a tool that we can use for a source of instability instead of a physio ball.
Let me just say, Leanne, we are not helping you move. Okay, I can see where you're going with this.
I am actually moving in a couple weeks, and I was trying to sucker them into helping me, but I'm just going to go home now. No, I don't even know what to do with these, actually. I just brought them as a hint. But I'll make something up. Basically, they're slick on a surface, so on the carpet, on the tile, whereas your foot would normally feel pretty stable for most of us. This is going to create that slick surface. So, for example, I'll show you how to do a lateral lunge, where your toes are both facing forward because you want your ankle, your hip, your knee all in alignment. And you're simply going out, and my stationary leg is doing a body weight squat practically, and then squeezing back in. So my hip stabilization muscles are having to kick in, my core big time, just to keep me from sliding even further.
And then the inner thigh on the right leg to pull it in.
Big time, big time. So
this girl can find a way to work out with anything.
Well, when you guys told me that you were going to help me move, I had to make something up. So I'll make up a reverse lunge with these things too. So you can do the same thing, a reverse lunge, sliding back up. So same thing, your hip stabilization muscles. And only because you said that you were going to do some push-ups, I'll show you how to do push-ups.
Good.
There's a couple different variations of them. My favorite one is Mr. Miyagi would appreciate it, wax on, wax off, where basically you're doing a push-up, and then you're doing circles with your rotator cuff. And one of the things is you want to make sure that you're not trying to rotate your torso. You just want it to stay pretty stable.
Okay, she makes it look easy, but I'm sure that isn't good. You know, actually, I would rather move you than do that exercise.
Yes, successful segment on Local 6. I love it.
So these are pretty cheap, right?
Yeah, I mean, you know, you can get, they come in packs of 4, and they were about $12 for 4 of them. So you can have 2 pairs, a partner workout, get a buddy, have them help you move, and then get an extra workout in.
And a lot of people already have these at home. I actually have some of those at home.
And they make them in different sizes, different shapes, anything that you do. And to be honest, if you really don't even want to spend that money, you could literally take a magazine and rip the cover off and put it on the ground. It'll be slick.
Always good advice.
Good stuff.
Thank you very much, Leanne.
Absolutely.
Always good advice.
My pleasure.
We will be back in 2 minutes.